Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix command prompt is not run as administrator in Windows 10, Windows 11 or any Windows operating system. It is a very simple problem and I give multiple solution to fix this problem. First, we see our problem, then solve that problem. I go to the start and type cmd and right click on the command prompt and click on the run as administrator. Okay, click on the yes, click on the yes, and after that this kind of box is not open in your case. That means you are not running as administrator. Here we find the administrator. In your case, administrator is not found or not open. That is our problem, and I give the multiple solution to fix this issue. The first solution is very simple. Go to the start and change change user account control settings. Type as it is change user account control settings and click on that. And here we find many options. Here we find always notify. Go to the here, and whenever any program you open, any program is always notify on your PC or laptop. Okay, and at the bottom we find never notify. If you drag this to the desktop or the bottom of this slider, then here we find never notify me when application try to install software or make change to my computer and I make change to Windows setting, but it is very risky for our security. That why I don't go to the here at this last bottom or the never notified. Go to the here. Here we find middle. Here we find notify me when application try to make changes to my computer. Do not dim my desktop. Okay, and after that click on the OK and click on the yes and restart your machine and your problem is solved. 99% these options are work for the command prompt and your command prompt run as an administrator. But if it's not run as administrator, then I give the second solution. The second solution, make sure you are logging as administrator on your PC or laptop. You are logging as administrator. You are not a only user. You are the administrator control of the your PC or laptop. I go to the here start and type control panel and click on the control panel. In a control panel, scroll down. It is something like category icons or category. Then change it to the large icons and scroll down and find user account. Click on the user account. In a user account, there are many ways to make a user, your local user to administrator. Go to the here. Here we find change your account name, change your account type. Click at here, change your account type, select your account and click on change your account type. Here we find my account is administrator account. In your case, it is selected standard. Then change it to the administrator and apply that. After that, change account type. Click on the change account type. Then make sure log into your Microsoft account and go to your Microsoft account and log in with your Microsoft account and then that give a administrator permission. Okay, in my case I go to the back. Here we find manage another account. If you want to another account to become a super administrator account, then click on the manage another account. Here we find I have two accounts. This is my main account with administrator permission and I log in with that administrator permission. You can create a new account, add a new user in this PC settings. You can click on that or click at here your local account, click on your local account and here we find change account type. Click on the change account type and click at here administrator, click on the change account type and create a new account. You can create your account by another way also. I give that way also. Go to the start, right click on the start. Here we find computer management. Click on the computer management. In a computer management, here we find computer management. Go to the local user account. Go to the local user account. Here we find users. Go to the users. In a user, right click on it. Click on new user. Add your name. Then here add your PC name or the user account name that you want. Go and type your account. Type the your account password, any password that you want, confirm your password, and then click on the create. After create, right click on your account, click on the properties, and here we find member of, and click at here and add it, and go to the here advanced, and in advanced go to the find now, and your administrator, click on OK, and after that click on the OK, and after that click on apply, click on the OK, apply, click on the OK, and after that that account become a administrator in Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is the also a trick. You can use Microsoft account or create a new user account with the administrator permission in your PC or laptop. That is the two ways to make an administrator. And after become administrator, check your CMD is properly working or not. Okay, that is our second way. I give also the third way. Another way is to go to the start, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, run as administrator, and after that type sfc / scan now and hit enter key, and after that it's recognize your all system files and find any problem or the anything in it and attach that files with the sequence, and after that you can go to the our CMD and run as an administrator on the CMD. Okay, I close it. Next step is go to the task manager, go to the blank space of the task manager, right click on it. Here we find task manager, click on the task manager. In a task manager, here we find file, go to the file, or here we find run a new task, click on run a new task. In a run a new task, type CMD. Here we find create this task with the administrative privileges. Select this, check this, click on OK, and that app or the CMD is open as an administrator in a Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. After doing this all step, I hope your problem is solved. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.